All right, got a little bit of a different intro today. Starting off, parked off the bike. I'm gonna try to make a video today. Emphasis on try because my wrist is currently a little jacked up. But it's extremely nice out, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful day. It's the warmest day we've had so far this year. So I really don't want to waste it and not make a video. So I'm going to attempt to, even though my wrist has this brace on it, which isn't exactly easy to use the throttle with. I'm still going to give it a try because, like I said, I really don't want to waste today and let the possible video opportunity go to waste. I messed around with the GoPro settings since it was messed up last video, and according to the screen, like a little preview screen, it should look much better this time. This video you should actually be able to see as if I actually record it. But I rode up to the spot with this off just because it was really quick, and now I'm seeing how it feels with it on. Not exactly easy because there's a... Oh yeah, this sucks. Hold on. Well, it feels really weird without a glove, but there's a plate right here. So this isn't... See, it's not flexible. So this is definitely difficult, but I think it's doable. Definitely not safe because it's hard to like control my wrist, but I'm sending it. I'm not wasting today. I'm gonna go riding, so just hope everything goes well. That's all. Yeah, I don't remember if I ever finished the thought. Oh yeah, I think I did. I think I ended up saying that this video should look much better than the last one. I apologize for that one. Looking so bad. I haven't edited it yet, so I'm not sure how awful it's gonna be. I just know there's certain parts that like it's not the view I wanted at all. But I'll find out once I get that one put together. Right now I'm working on like 4 different videos, 4 or 5. So there's a lot of room on my phone taken up. So I don't think I have the room to edit that one yet. I'm referring to the first motovlog of 2023 that I recorded. But this one should be a lot better, hopefully. I really wish I could have worn my glove over this, but it's too skinny. Too tight, I guess would be the right word. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. Got a lot of new people since last like actual motovlog. So welcome everyone. Thank you for subbing. I appreciate it. And if you're new and would like to do so, please feel free. It is April 4th, I think. Yeah, April 4th. So this one, it's going to be a little bit till this one's up because I got the whole Mustang thing in the works, which is a full video in itself, but I can't upload that one until after I give them the Mustang, just in case they somehow see the video before they get the car. By the time this video is up, you'll know what I'm talking about because it'll be on my channel. There's a bug in my visor. Okay, there we go. Nope, it's still there. Okay, I think I'm good now. But yeah, I got like a bunch of different videos on my phone right now, so it's hard to keep track of all that. I have new tires I got to put on the Ninja 650. I have, and then once I do that, I got to try to sell it. I also have to fix the brake light still. I'm going to check the fuses, and if it's not that, I'm giving up, because I've been trying for a while, and it's still not cooperating. So I got that going. I got the Mustang. I have the motovlog already recorded. I have the little like channel trailer I want to make, which I've done a little bit for, but not a whole lot. I'm still not 100% sure I'm gonna commit and actually do it. I think so, but I'm still debating it. What else do I have? I think that's about it in terms of like videos I'm making. I have ton of stuff going on personally, but it's like taking up a lot of time, unfortunately. I'm just happy that today I don't work for another 2 hours, so I got some time to go riding, making another video. Hopefully this one turns out much better. The quality looked really good because I got the newer GoPro than what I had, so the quality looks much better. I just hope the angle and stuff is right this time. I'm also not sure why I chose to go this way, because now I'm going to get stuck in traffic a lot. That was a bad idea. I just got new brake pads in for this, and I bought the brake fluid because it clearly needs changed. I would say if you want to see a video on me switching out the brake pads and bleeding the brakes and everything, let me know. But typically Jasper is like the only one to comment, which I really appreciate. But like I'm saying, typically when I say like, oh, let me know, nobody really does. If you want to, feel free to let me know, and I will go ahead and make a video about it. Otherwise I'll probably just do it someday. But yeah, shout out to Chase Jasper Down is his channel name. He comments on a lot of my stuff, which I really appreciate. He's been very supportive. So, and also he makes motovlogs too. He's got a nice Aprilia. He's in North Carolina, I believe, which is pretty cool. So he gets riding weather more often than I will and stuff. So he has cooler sights. So feel free to check him out. I wonder if people see this on a biker with tattoos and just automatically assume that I like punch someone, and that's why I have to wear it. I wouldn't be surprised, but like I also might just be making shit up my own head. Oh, that's another thing. I want the channel to start doing better and also be like not kid friendly, but for people who want to watch like around their parents and their parents aren't comfortable with swearing or whatever, I want it to be better for them. So as long as I remember, I'm gonna start like censoring when I swear. So when you hear like this sound effect, that's just to censor it. Like I said, as long as I remember and like catch the swear word, then I'll censor them out. That way it's a little bit more friendly. I'm also trying to just not swear as much in general, like during my videos, but just in case I slip up, I won't be doing that. Thinking about getting insurance on the Ninja 650 so that I can get it like fully inspected and road legal and then do a review video on it. Only problem is, as I mentioned earlier, I would have to figure out why the brake lights aren't working, and it's taking me a while to do that. So I'm kind of at the point where I just want to give up and sell it, like fully telling them that, hey, the brake lights don't work, because I'm sure someone else would be able to figure it out. I just have been having a hard time doing that. It's like I would make them fully aware that they're not working when I sold it, and that it's not inspected. If they're still interested, great. But if I can get them figured out, then I will get insurance on it so I can make a video or two. Like I'll do a Ninja 650 review, and then maybe just one more like normal motovlog on it, just to mix it up. It'll probably be a little difficult considering how loud that bike is. If you watch the video, I kind of demonstrated it, but it's pretty loud. So if I was going like this fast, it'd be a little hard to hear me over the exhaust. But if that's something, oh, I almost said it again. I was gonna say, let me know if that's something you're interested in. Feel free to comment. I appreciate your support, so feel free to comment. Ooh, here's a nice Audi TT. I always wanted to drive one of those. I would say race, but that doesn't really count on this. Sucks when you're too fast. I have been watching Copart a lot recently. Okay. First race. Anyway, I have been watching watching Copart a lot recently to like see if any 1000s get on there, like an R1 preferably, or a Gixxer 1000. But like, I'm just looking to see if any leader bikes get on there, because once I sell the 650, I would like to use that money, put it towards a leader bike. But part of me also doesn't want to do that because I kind of want to just keep this bike, because like I've had it for 2 years now. 2 or 3, I can't remember. I want to say 2. So obviously there's like a little bit of an attachment, and like the stuff I've done to it and everything. And it's like the, I guess, basis of my channel, because that's where most of my videos are on. I'm saying entirely too much. I apologize. Just having a hard time like keeping a straight train of thought. But yeah, this is like the main thing on my channel so far is this R6. I have obviously a bunch on the R3, but those, I don't count those videos just because they're so bad. I was watching them back a couple months ago, and it's literally just, some of them are literally just one ride. I just go for a ride, no editing or anything. I just put copyright music over top of it and just go for a ride. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what made me do that, but definitely wasn't smart of me. So now that these videos I like actually try, I talk in them, I do a bunch of editing, stuff like that, I count these. Just because I think they're much better. I'm sure I will. And this is like the main thing I've done that on. I was debating doing a little bit more car content, besides like the whole, obviously I made the giving my parents a Mustang video and I did some work on it, like on camera. I've done some stuff to my car recently that's a car, like I've changed the headlights and taillights out. I don't mean the bulb, like full, the housing for them and everything, so that they're custom. I have a front lip, like I have a lip kit to put on. It's going to require some building and stuff, that's why I've been putting it off, but I have a lip kit to put on it too. And I've been thinking about doing more like, doing some car content, because it's still like, you know, motor related and everything. I'm just not sure like how that would be received, like if you guys just want motorcycle content specifically, or if car stuff would be cool too. Just something I'm kind of like throwing out there for now. Sorry, this is a little sketcy. What the fuck? As I was saying, it's a little sketchy. I almost got hit. That's awesome. Perfect timing. I was saying that it's sketchy because these brakes are horrible right now, and with my wrist brace on, it's hard. It's like throttle's a little bit difficult to control because my wrist isn't as flexible. But now it's even more sketchy because people just want to merge over without even looking in their mirror. Well, I was in her blind spot, but like, she still just went for it. I was right next to her. She easily could have looked over and saw me. So I wasn't fully in her blind spot, I just wasn't in her mirror. Like, just look out the side window. You're gonna see me. I was right next to you. Oh my. I mean, the timing couldn't have been any better, but that makes me, oh, that makes me so mad. That's a Charger. Well, if this person will get out of their way, maybe I can race them. This guy gonna race? Does he want to race? be that strong, but that's fun. Shout out to that guy. A, for being cool enough to race, and then B, like immediately moving into the right lane because he knew I'd pass him. That guy's cool. And he's got a nice ass car. I'm gonna move over. So I have stickers on my helmet now and on my windscreen. I'm gonna move over and hope that he pulls up. So I'll point to him and let him know that it's gonna be on YouTube. Maybe he can watch it. He gave me a thumbs up, but I don't know if he saw the stickers. I think it's fast. That's awesome. I got that fun racing. I hope he sees the video. If he saw the stickers, he knows where to go. If you do, that was fun. Hit me up to race again. I'll definitely be down. Not my cars. You'll definitely beat both of them. But this bike, or maybe my next one, I'm definitely down. Yeah, I'm gonna head back home, give my wrist a break, get ready for work. But glad I got something funny. I'm not wrapping it up quite yet, like I'm still gonna record on the way home. I think I'll wait until I hit my turn up here. Then I'll probably wrap it up there. The one I usually like try hard. Actually, I don't know if that's a good idea. I'm still gonna try it anyways. I'll be alright. Won't be the first time. Well, this is also the first, like, full-blown ride of the year, too, I guess. I don't know, maybe I probably should, just because, like, there's probably a little rust built up from over the winter. The temptation is just so strong. I think I'm gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna go too fast. I usually hit this at like close to 100. But between like my brakes being horrible, but apparently needing new tires, like my wrist, I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. Well, I think that was an eventful video, right? Hopefully. I had fun. I hope you guys did. Thank you for watching. I've already said about like subbing everything, so I don't want to be annoying to you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.